Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out WhatsApp account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to know that there is no any direct way to log out WhatsApp officially from the application. But don't worry, I'll tell you how you can do this in your Android phone or iPhone. So let's get started. You guys have to simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone setting here, you guys have to simply search for apps or you guys have to simply tap on apps. So after tapping on application, you guys have to simply click on manage application. And here you guys have to simply search for WhatsApp. And here in the WhatsApp, you guys have to simply go to storage section and you guys have to simply clear the cache data and clear the data. So after clearing the data of the application of both cache data and simple data, you guys have to simply go to WhatsApp and your WhatsApp will be logged out automatically. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.